A strong foundation is essential for anything you want to be lasting. Foundations, however, are not sexy or sparkly, so they're often overlooked, especially when it comes to building habits for the big three for your health: exercising, eating healthy, and managing stress. With a strong foundation, you have an inner confidence built right in. You know what to do and how to keep yourself motivated. Hi, I'm Janet Holtz, clinical exercise physiologist and certified health coach. Welcome to the program that strengthens your foundation for whole person health and lasting habits. Get ready for a dramatically different way of thinking about and approaching being healthy. Our typical mindsets about the big three tend to think of them as one working against the other. Exercise is to undo what you eat, and stress gets in the way of motivation for both. This tends to separate our whole person parts, our body, our brain, and our heart. It keeps them working against each other. But these parts are designed to work together for you to thrive. The Foundations program reunites these parts. The program works because it uses a blend of three sciences. Motivation science strengthens your brain skills, movement science strengthens your body skills, and you science strengthens your ability to tap into your inner wisdom. This combination is what I call the Be Well Now method. In this step-by-step program, you embody the skills and the mindsets for using this method to both strengthen and simplify your healthy habits. Each day, you will practice embodying a foundational movement and motivation skill that is grounded in physiology and psychology. Using mindfulness, you tap into what only you know inside. Like a good foundation, one step builds on the other. Practicing these skills between sessions is what really grows these roots. So take your time, giving your body and your brain and your heart time to relearn how to work together. These movements are so foundational, they work for any body. If your body's limited in some way, I show you how to listen to your body and adapt based on what your body is telling you. For those of you who are not limited, however, it may seem like you're not doing much. You might think these are too basic for you. Either way, trust this process. We are strengthening and fine-tuning muscle memory, that body-brain connection needed for all movement and everything we do. Using mindfulness skills, you add the connection to your heart. Practicing moving in this way is what ensures a strong connection between your brain and your body and your heart. By the end of the 7 days, you will have the basis for confidence in moving well, nourishing well, and resting well, and for being self-motivated. All you need is a sturdy chair and less than 10 minutes a day for 7 days. Since studies show writing something down improves the chances it will become a lasting habit, you may add a form of thrive tracking. This is when you note not only what you did, but how your body felt. It nourishes the connection between your body, your brain, and your heart. The document link below gives you ideas of how to make this doable, especially if you're not someone who likes to track. Please take a moment to complete the brief survey linked below before you start with day 1. If you would like an email reminder for each session, use the link below to sign up. If at any point you want more personalized information for how to apply this specifically for you, schedule a free call with me. Enjoy the Foundations program and experiencing being healthy in a whole new way to be well now.